What is art?
When I wonder what is art, I see Van Gogh as very night, Romeo and Juliet acting on the stage. When all to know the orchestra plays a magic poem shining bright, and even Eiffel Tower standing high. One day my best friend, he told me, why don't you wake up now? Imagine art is that and something else. When you get older, you know, you feel it's at the clue. Your eyes are the mirror of your view. He said your art is people shaking hands, one hearts and smiles and peace forever, sharing the beauty of sunset in the sky. This is the art that never lies. My best friend told me, hey, 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 hey. The sun beams paints a river blue, and the moon winks nearer to you. Keep in mind this real shining art. He said, go and listen to the wind, whispering through the trembling trees, that the nature's like a masterpiece. One day my best friend, he told me, why don't you wake up now? Imagine art is that and something else. When you get older,